You're trading volatility index and you're not getting it right. This video is for you because I'm going to show you the secret trading strategy that you will use to be making money in volatility index. If only you use it the right way. But before we continue, my name is BBFS Trading Strategy. If you know that today is the first time you are coming across this channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, YouTube will notify you. So guys, let's dive in. Let me show you the secret strategy that you can use to trade volatility index successfully. Though the strategy doesn't come all the time, but if you patiently wait for the strategy, you are going to make money with it. So I'm going to show you the indicators that we used for this strategy. So let's dive in and make sure you watch to the end so that you will not miss any strategy that I am going to show you in this video. So let's dive into this strategy. As you can see my chart here, you can use zoom 2 or 3 for this strategy. So let me zoom my own a little bit so that I can see it. Let's go to our indicators here. Sorry, let's click on our indicators. So guys, here is our indicators. If you have been following my strategy, you will already know the moving average that I'm using. I don't change it. It remains these three moving averages. It remains these three moving averages. If you are new, let me show you. Here I am using period 200 shift 0 method exponential, apply to close. Then you can set your style to any level that you like to set it. You click on done. Then the next is period 200 shift 0 method exponential, apply to close. Style, you can any style. If you like to drag it back, see where my own is. So you can just position it the way you want, then you save it. The next moving average here is period 10 shift 0 method exponential, apply to close. Level none. Then the style, any style of your choice, then you save it. So this is the three moving average that we are using. I also use frag size at times, that's why it remains here. Okay, so the indicator window 1 is stochastic oscillator. Then we have our period K period 5, we have the period 3, then slowing 3, price field low and high. Then method simple. Level, make sure your level is 20 and 80. Very important. 20 and 80. Any color of your choice, you add it. Okay, you click save. Then this is the indicator that we are going to use today. Let's go back to our main chart. So guys, this is it. This strategy is all about M pattern and W pattern. If you spot this M pattern and W pattern, you can go long trading. You can go long in trading volatility index. Okay, now we are in volatility 150 index. So let me show you how you can spot the right M and W pattern for trading. Okay, let's see here now. As you can see here now, I'm already seeing one M that have already passed. Here is the M here. If you see here now, you see our M. So how will you know that this thing is forming M pattern? Because at times we don't know it, but I will show you using our stochastic oscillator. Here is our M pattern, and you can see the long this trade went. Maybe you can see it in our 15-minute time frame. You can see the long it went. Okay, so let's go back. Now, you see your stochastic oscillator. Here is our stochastic oscillator. Our stochastic oscillator for M pattern, make sure that it cross that 80 level. Make sure it cross that 80 level. When the first button cross the 80 level this way, don't enter. Don't enter. You wait for it to go down and cross that 20 level again. When it cross the 20 level, then don't enter the market. Don't enter unless you want to scalp. Buy. You wait for it to go back again to our 80 level. And that is here. Are you not seeing our M pattern? This is our M pattern. When it goes back again to that 80 level and draw down, when it is coming down, that is when you enter for sell. Sorry, that is when you enter for sell. Do you understand me? And when you enter for sell, when your trade went a little bit far, you put your stop loss. Put your stop loss somewhere here and leave this trade to go. Don't panic. As long as you wait for this condition to meet, guys, don't panic. It is going to go your direction. Let me show you guys for W pattern. This one is M pattern. Let me check for W pattern. Here is our W pattern. Are you seeing it? Good. Here now, you can see our stochastic oscillator come down to 20 level. You now wait for it to go back again. Don't jump into this trade though. Wait for it to go back to 80 level. When it went back to 80 level, then you wait for it to cross back again to our 20 level. And when it crossed, you enter for buy. You already know where your stop loss will end. Here is where our stop loss will be. Put your stop loss and don't panic. If you hit your stop loss, then you, instead of you to lose much, you will lose a little. That is the secret of M and W pattern. And people will not explain it well for us to understand. Guys, anything that I know that it works, I will always show you guys. I don't hide anything. If I know it will work for me, I will explain it to you guys so that you guys will learn. The market is so wide. It's very, very wide. Okay? So we cannot hide any secrets. Anything that you know that is working, I will give it out here. Guys, this work very, very perfectly. As you can see the buy. Do you see the buy? Do you see the buy of this thing? That is the secret of M and W pattern. It goes a long way. W and M pattern goes a long way. So guys, this is the strategy that I want to show you guys. If you know you are a beginner, you practice it very, very well. Don't just come and jump in and start trading. No. We have demo accounts. Use your demo account, okay? When you use your demo account, you practice it, you make sure it works for you before you now apply it to your real account. Okay, so guys, I think I will end this video here. This is just a short strategy that I want to show you guys. If you know that you learned something from this strategy, the only thing you do for me is to hit that subscribe button and hit the like button to this video so that YouTube will push this video for others to see it. Okay, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, YouTube will notify you to watch. So see you guys on my next video. Bye for now.